Hello guys and welcome to our channel. My name is Anna and this is Alistair.
Kakaste.
This is Toby.
So,
in today's video, we're going to react to some Serbian songs. But before that, we're going to have this Rakija. Toby has never had Rakija in his life before, so this is going to be his true first ever reaction. You need to have a little bit of Rakija before listening to any of the Serbian songs, so you know your soul has to feel the melody, even though you don't understand it. Your heart will. Is this alright or do you want more?
No. I'm Australian.
1, 2, 3, now!
So this is how an Australian would, you know, do alcohol.
I know.
That's how
I know
a Serbian.
deep. No, I know deep.
That's how a Serbian does alcohol.
I know deep inside it's actually hurting your soul, but you don't want to admit it.
My soul's long gone.
Milica Turbo Folk. Da 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 da.
All right, so we have
Well, for first reaction, damn.
Does it also have watermelon?
Watermelon!
What do you reckon that she's singing about, like, based on the video?
Promiscuity.
Based on simply on the video clip alone, it's about nothing that I'm thinking about. No.
No. No!
No!
Može coito.
Say Jubilee.
Jubilee.
Say it a bit louder.
Jubilee.
I'll take that. Jubilee.
Jubilee.
That's right. Okay. Say Jubilee.
Jubilee.
Okay. Jubilee.
Jubilee. Jubilee.
Alright. And...
Jubilee.
Turbachi.
Is this like your version of Pitbull?
Ah!
Nobody likes him, but he still comes up on everything. Haha.
Well... Yeah.
Yeah. Look at him. Mr. 305.
Ti moje zlato, ti moje zlato. It's a big hit. It was a big hit back in the day.
Yeah, like back in my day. It's stuff like, and I'm all like,
can you imagine yourself doing a belly dance?
Every time I move, my belly does dance. Fuberation game style.
What's a Fuberation game style?
This guy's a fucking nutcase. It's funny because absinthe is Czechoslovakian. Czech Republic now. Formerly Czech Republic. Czechoslovakian. And so we're going Eastern Europe, you know?
You're going to die. Say something, did somebody break your heart? You cannot come into my club because you're a rich asshole playboy. I don't like you, I like the guys that come to...
Yeah, that's what she sings.
I did my research.
He's perceptive.
Yeah. You boy, you a player. You are an asshole.
Yep.
Fucking, you can go away.
Yep.
Because I do not want your fucking attitude. Because you're just gonna come in, have sex, and then fuck off.
Yep.
But I just want a guy who's not gonna do that. Who's actually gonna treat me right.
Yep. Pretty much.
I know these things.
And for the end, we're going to listen to 2 Aussie songs that all Aussie love and appreciate. We're going to our next Aussie hit.
Hey, I got a lot of faith in you. I'll stick with you, cause that's the bottom line.
Oh, you have to learn it.
Jesus, slice of heaven.
Anyways, thank you guys for being with us and reacting to some Serbian and Australian songs and Yugoslavian and Bosnian and whoever I offended, I apologize. Please like and subscribe and we'll see you next Sunday.
Thanks for stopping by.
Stay classy and we'll see you in the next episode.